Today is the last day of the trip, and we're riding from Newcastle to London. It's around 290 miles. This is the highest ever we have covered in one go. That is today, 290 miles, and this is the end of the trip. So far, everything has been great. Everything has been smooth, and bike has got no issues. We have no issues. The roads have been amazing. Every road has its own character, and yeah, so that's about it. Hey everyone, we are finally almost towards the end of a UK motorcycle trip. I can finally talk about how much did I spend in the entire trip. I spent around 3,27,686 rupees, which is closely around 3,628 pounds. So let me break this up for you. The food, stay and fuel came up to 1819 pounds, which is 1,64,294. In my case, I had bought the bike in the UK, but in case, assuming if I had to hire a 650cc motorcycle for 2 weeks, I would spend around 1,058 pounds, which adds up to around 95,560 rupees. Then the ticket costed me around 55,000 rupees, which is around 608 pounds, and 13,000 rupees for the visa, which is 143 pounds. So total trip cost came up to 3,628 pounds, which translates to around 3,27,854 rupees. It is better to carry a credit card, especially a visa, and please take note that there's a transaction fee of 3% every time you swipe your card. So in case if you have a bank which does not charge you a transaction fee, go ahead, you will save up some money there as well. I would take this opportunity to thank everyone who supported me in this trip. My uncle Harshavardhan, without him this trip would not have happened. My local help in UK, our family friend Govind Raju and his family, and my biker friend in UK, Matthew, who helped me plan this trip. My family and my wife back in India. I would like to specially thank my buddy Anand, who helped me edit all these videos. Also wanted to talk about the Isle of Man. What had happened is I missed the Isle of Man just by one day. The day Isle of Man started, I actually had to fly back to India. I did not realize or did not plan my trip well. But also I couldn't stay there even if I had extended my ticket, because the Isle of Man it was booked, packed. The ferries were packed. You need to plan at least a year before to even book your ferries and go to the Isle of Man island. You can board to Isle of Man from Liverpool itself. It's a ferry ride from Liverpool. And so what I would suggest is, for anybody who's doing a UK trip in the future, like the way I did, you better check the dates of Isle of Man TT, book your tickets in advance. So what you can do is you can fly 1 week prior to the TT race, finish off the UK trip, and then you can take a ferry to Isle of Man from Liverpool and enjoy the entire week of high-speed madness of the tourist trophy which is held there. Everybody rejoices, and all over the world people come there to see that race. It's something which I missed, and I hope I would cover it next time when I go to the UK. Thank you guys, that's about it of this UK trip. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions or any queries. I would love to help you guys so that your trip can be as beautiful as mine. And thank you everyone, and let me see, I will upload more videos and more trips which I do in future. Hope you like our channel, things what we're doing, and keep supporting us. Thank you. Bye bye. Good run, good international trip. Cheers. Bye.